Hi everybody, my name is Scott Walls. I'm the Source to Settle and OBN expert here at Panamir. For over 25 years, I've deployed ERP applications for some of the world's largest organizations. Before we get started, I wanted to acknowledge Martins Aghi for helping me put this deck together. He's the supply chain expert here at Panamir. Martins has years of experience and we work together on several large clients deploying P2P and inventory or supply chain, warehouse management, etc. You're watching an inventory overview video. In this video, I provide an overview of Oracle Cloud's Product Information Management or PIM items, also known as transactional items. PIM items are part of the product management functional area. Click the link above to watch a quick video explaining the product management functional area. Okay, I'll use the following 5 slides to explain PIM items. What is a PIM item? Common business examples, who creates PIM items, how they are created, and when they are created. But best of all, I'm going to do this in less than 5 minutes. So let's get started. Slide 1. What is a PIM or transactional item? An item is a dataset representing a finished good or service within Oracle Cloud. Items are also known as stock. They are mostly bought as inventory, meaning assets, and issued or expensed to the business. PIM items are defined during the inventory design process. Click the link above to watch a quick video explaining the inventory design process, meaning the entire process that starts before you touch any of Oracle Cloud. Slide 2. Common business examples. Here are 3 common examples of PIM items. We have inventory items, purchase or purchasable items, and service items. Remember, PIM items are associated with inventory organizations. Click the link above to watch a quick video explaining inventory organizations. Slide 3. Who creates PIM items? The initiators of PIM or transactional items are as follows: material managers and warehouse managers. Remember, though, they're linked or defined and spec'd out with sub-inventories. Click the link above to watch a quick video on sub-inventories. Slide 4. How are they created? Items are typically added online, interfaced, and/or converted. When added manually, the high-level steps are as follows. Input the overall details, then input the specs for that item that make it unique. Associate with an inventory or more than one inventory. Create relationships so you might relate it to different items as a substitution. Tag with item or purchasing categories. And lastly, slide 5, when are they created? Let's walk quickly through the 6-step inventory design process flow. Step 1, outside of the system before you get into Oracle Cloud, define the inventory structure. Step 2, add the inventory organizations. Step 3, add the sub-inventories. Optionally, add locators within the sub-inventory where the items can be stored. Again, think row, rack, bin. Step 5, define the items and associate them with one of the item organizations or more than one. Then step 6, add the item specs to the item or to the sub-inventories, explaining how to process that item in that sub-inventory. As you can see, defining the PIM item occurs right there at the 5th step. Okay, this is the end of this video presentation, but hopefully it's just the beginning of your Panamir journey. Did you know that there are thousands of free videos just like this one on Panamir.com and hundreds more on Panamir's YouTube channel? In fact, if you're watching this on YouTube, please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel. Remember, better content, better skills, better income, better life. Panamir wants to help you get 1% better every day. Thank you for watching and have a great day.